I was almost in an accident today. You guys be the judge. Watch this jerk behind me as he tries to pass me getting into the left turn lane, and he gets cut off. Now, I'm not looking, nor should I have to look, to see if somebody's in that lane beside me, because I'm entering right after the painted island, which is treated the same as a non-painted island. Who in their right mind tries to get ahead of someone pulling into a left turn lane? And I had my signal on, incidentally. Jerk.